Hello, my name is Gary Seal with Trucon Sales Consulting. A number of years ago, I was in the contamination control business in the semiconductor world, and I had worked with a company in the Dallas area for a number of years with their contamination control manager to get what we called a sealing system at that time, which was essentially always a capital purchased item with sales frequently over $100,000. We were very pleased to finally get that opportunity. When my manager was in town, we made an appointment with the senior purchasing agent to go in and present our drawings and quotation. With hardly any preliminary discussion whatsoever, the buyer looked at us and said, "I want a 15% discount off of your pricing." Well, we were a little taken aback. We thought that we had made our case quite well, but in fact we probably had not as well as we should have, and in conjunction we were a little floored. So what we asked for was a little bit more time to consider his offer. Now, if we had been a little bit more bold and knowledgeable about the sales negotiations world, we would have countered with the statement, "I understand that you're ready to select us as your vendor of choice, and then we can talk about discounts and the type of either post follow-up training or installation or some aspect of the business where there would actually be a trade-off." And that's the situation that frequently happens when a buyer immediately says they want to negotiate and demand a concession. It's not a negotiation. It's simply a unilateral leveraged move. And so that's the thing that we want to help train you on in this upcoming sales negotiation seminar and workshop that I'm having on May the 9th. I'll scroll some additional information on a different segment of this video, and I hope that should you have an interest, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'll be glad to explain any details that you want. Okay, here's what you can expect on May the 9th. You'll receive 4 hours of full classroom instruction with student exercises. This is not just a lunch and learn. I am a certified negotiations instructor, a distinguished Toastmaster, and I have an MBA, so I do have some experience in training and working with folks, making sure the information gets fully communicated. You'll receive a fully detailed printed instruction manual to take home and review for your future negotiations. A 55-slide PowerPoint will be included for future training resources for your folks. A copy of the book Negotiate to Win by Jim Thomas, which is my opinion is one of the better sales negotiation books on the market. Refreshments and lunch will be provided. We're going to be working steadily from 9:30 till 1:30 in the afternoon. And because I'm providing a completion certificate, there will be a simple test at the end to make sure that you actually got it. And I'm going to send you a link to a DISC personality profile test provided by the Tony Robbins organization as a platform for discussions during our 4 hours together. I look forward to seeing you on the 9th. I'm sure you're going to come away satisfied with the amount of information you learn that you can take home and put to use in your business.